I have prayed, and you heard my cry.
It's totally and every babies, no, lahat yan ini-invite ng Panginoon. That is why we commend the family or parents that they decide to dedicate their child to the Lord.
In this moment now I pray.
Bigyan kayo ng magandang buhay, mapag-aaral kayong dalawa, bigyan namin sa inyo yung mga kailangan nyo, lahat na share yung mga gusto nyo. At syempre, palakihin kayo kung paano mabuti yung bata at maipadala namin sa inyo ang pagmamahal na deserve nyo.
Sa bata mo yung isip sa inyong dalawa.
And love them like
I promise to my kids, I will try to my best to live as long as I could possibly live. Whatever journey you take in life, I'll promise to be by your side, and I promise na, and I hope and pray. I hope and pray na lumaki kayo mabuting bata, especially may takot sa Panginoon. At sana lumaki kayo na happy and healthy ng bata like now.
Alright, praise God.
you have granted such a trust with this precious gift. With your
Sobrang swerte ko kasi nandun ako sa pamilya nyo. Mamuting ako na parang panganay ba? Ako yung panganay ko lang. Parang mahal mo kayong dalawa ni ate mo. Hindi ako mawawala. I love you, Tasha.
I wish all the best para kay Tasha. Lumaki kang mabait, may takot sa Diyos, at healthy, pinaka-importante. Yun lang.
And of course, Rachel is one all the way to sister Cassie. Let us all open our hearts and give a warm